Ako po ay isang Raelian. Ang Raelian ay may documentary series sa Netflix. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na sana ay inyong mapanood. Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ngayon po ay February 11, araw ng Linggo, 2024. Tulad ng sinabi ko nung nakaraan ay tatalakayin naman natin ang propetang si Ezekiel. Nasa libro ng The Book of Ezekiel, chapter 1, umpisa sa verse 4, ay mababasa ang pinaka-interesadong description ng flying machines nang maglanding ito sa di kalayuan kay Ezekiel. Ang windstorm na description niya ay trace of smoke or vapor trail tulad ng nakikita natin kapag may dumadaan na jet plane na nag-iiwan ng usok sa kalangitan. Then the machine appeared with its blinking light, the flashing lightning, and glowing metal. At kalaunan, 4 na creator ay nakita niya na nakasuot ng gravity suits na may maliliit na directional engine attached sa kanilang space suits na ang tawag niya ay wings. The feet gleamed like varnished bronze tulad ng ating mga astronaut ay makintab ang kanilang mga space suit. Ang flying saucers at whales kasi korteng bilog. Si Ezekiel sabi niya, as if we're a whale in the middle of a whale, they turned not when they went. In the center of the flying saucer was the habitable section, the rim, ang tawag the rim. All 4 rims were full of ice all round. Portholes, the ice, ang tawag na isil, the ice, may butas around the rim. The flying saucers stood near the creators ready to help them if the need arose. Since they were loading supplies and carrying out routine maintenance in their spaceships on the large intergalactic vessel above them. Other creators inside the vessels were directing. The spirit of the living creature was in the wells. This is yun, sabi, the spirit of the living, nag-ano sila, nagbababa ng mga supplies. At may isa pang malaking flying saucer na nagda-direct na kung anong gagawin ng mga nagtatrabaho sa ibaba. The suit described with its portholes was similar to our diving suits. Each of them had 4 faces and they did not turn as they moved. The similar saucers were something like our own lunar excursion modules, small, short-range vehicle used for exploratory missions. Ayan. At may lumapit na creator Diyos kay Ezekiel at nag-usap sila. Sa susunod na linggo ay ating tatalakayin kung ano ang kanilang pinag-usapan. Hanggang dito na lamang po at sana ay magandang sikat ng araw sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Please follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng.